Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to add auto-generated captions to your video in Capcut. This feature is super helpful for making your content more accessible. Let's dive in. First, open your Capcut and start a new project, or you can continue with an existing one. With your video added, go to the bottom menu and tap on Test. From there, choose Auto Caption. Capcut will prompt you to select the language and start analyzing the audio in your video. Once Capcut generates the caption, you can customize them by tapping on the caption text and changing the font, color, and style to match your video's vibe. You can also edit any word to ensure accuracy. Review the caption to make sure you are synced with the audio. If needed, drag the caption bar on the timeline to adjust your timing. And that's it guys, you successfully added auto-generated caption to your video in Capcut. Thank you so much for watching and happy editing. See you next time. Bye bye.
About teaching you how to use a Capcut effectively. Thank you for watching. This tutorial is basically about teaching you how to use a Capcut effectively. Thank you for watching.